Okay guys, so we are finishing up another job. This is a Mitsubishi. I believe this one was a 4-zone. I showed up here and there was a package unit in the back, an old train, 20-year-old package unit. There was actually another technician from another company here trying to fix it. I went inside, talked to the customer, and essentially sold them the mini split job while the guy was trying to fix the old 20-year-old unit. So let's take a look at what we did here. Now, one of the complaints was that they had airflow, was not getting to the upstairs very well, and another thing too is that there's a mountainside here, and when it rains it just pours down, and so the old package unit was actually setting on this huge pad here, and it took up the whole walk space. And when I got here and looked at it, I noticed that there was water that had got inside the unit. And if you look right here, there's literally a creek that comes down and drains right here and then goes alongside of their house and around the corner. And we had some pretty big flash floods, and so with the unit setting right here, you could see the old propane is still here where the old unit was actually set. So what we did is we put in the Mitsubishi product, and I put it on a 12-inch stand, so that way we don't have to worry about any flooding that might come in and affect the unit. So this is actually the first stand we've done. I like it. It's pretty sturdy, and the unit is taking up far less space than what the old one did, and it's an awful lot quieter. And then on the inside, so I do believe, let's see, 1, 2, 3, yeah, so this one we went with the 4-zone, but I did it's actually the 3.5 ton because we went with a pretty large unit in the upstairs because it covers the entire upstairs. So let me take you inside, and well, actually let's look over here at the track. So let's see what we got. And I haven't looked at this job since my guys did it, so it looks like we have some track right there that goes up between the floor and up there. You can see it coming out right there. Comes out of the home and drops down. And then on the back side over here, there was it's like some of our jobs, as you can see, there's a bit of a mountain. And so this one right here just comes down right there. And as soon as we got to the crawl space, we dove underneath, which is still, as you can tell, quite a ways off the ground. There is another one over here. Let me see if I can get to it. Yes, it's right here. So even though we are in an area where nobody would ever even see it, we still put it in track. So this one came down and dove through the floor there. And we'll walk around over here. So you kind of got the whole roundabout of the property. Okay, let me go inside, and we'll take a look at the inside. Now here's the track that comes down and dives under the deck where we were just at. And as you can see, I mean, if you're walking up to this home, it's not very noticeable at all. When it squeezes in right by that light, perfect work. And down. Okay, let's go inside.
Somebody might recognize me.
Okay. Homeowner doesn't want to be in the video, guys. So here we go. This is inside the front door. This is the upstairs version, and here's the downstairs. So let's go look at the downstairs real quick and see what we got. Well, down here we have a small room, and we put it in here so we got good throw into the hallway. And same with this one, nice and clean. And then this is the master bedroom over here. And so they actually had that right there, and I said, well, if you guys move that to there, and we put it there, then we're going to get a good throw right into their master bathroom. And they said, you know, that's a good idea. So that's what we did. Very nice and clean job. Let's go look upstairs. On the upstairs, here's remotes. They'll be by all the doors. On the upstairs is a pretty open concept. And so that's why I went with such a large one. So there's a dining room, and there's a little office section right here. And then front door. And now you have a beautiful view. Some open windows that are somewhat west facing, so we have a fair amount of load that's going to come in from there. And then there's also the kitchen. As you can see from here, though, it is rather open, with this right here coming through also here, so it sort of does a little bit of a circle. And so we went with the 24K head here. Perfect. Fits in here perfectly. And it's nice because the ceiling has a vault on this one, so we got plenty of airflow on the top. Actually, looking in the camera, it doesn't look like it's that much, but from my view, it's probably 6 inches and then goes all the way down. So, very, very nice the way that this turned out. And so when you're looking at the place like so, now that throw is, I put it there purposely so that it essentially would throw all the way over to the office space, but it would also draw in return air from the kitchen and from here, which essentially will do a Venturi effect of pulling air back around and rolling it back around to the indoor unit. And so that's all. Thanks for watching.